Oh, it is on fire.
Nana, you wanted the chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making skillet lasagna. The ingredients that we're going to need today are a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. I'm using the one with roasted garlic, 2 cups of water, ricotta cheese, 1 small onion diced, 1 pound of ground beef. I have 10 oven-ready lasagna noodles broken down into bite-sized pieces, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. I have some sugar, that's optional, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. In a large skillet over medium heat, I'm going to add in my tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm going to let that come to temperature. Next, I'm going to add in my onion. You want to saute your onion for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we're going to begin to add in our ground beef. Now you want to break your ground beef down to make sure it's mixed well with your onion. After your ground beef is broken down, you want to let it sit and you want to let it brown underneath. We're going to let that cook for a couple of minutes without mixing. Okay guys, now you can go in and begin to mix your ground beef up. And you want to cook it until it's brown all the way through. Once your ground beef is done cooking, you want to drain it of all excess grease. Once you've drained it of all excess grease, we're going to add in our minced garlic, our garlic powder, black pepper, and also our onion powder. We're going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Now we're going to add in our 2 cups of water. We'll go ahead and mix it. You can go ahead and turn your heat up to high. Now we're going to add in our crushed tomatoes. And we're going to mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, now this next part is optional. I'm going to add in some garlic powder, some onion powder. I like my food to be a little extra seasoned, and also some more black pepper. And do add your Italian seasoning. And the sugar is also optional. So I'm going to add some sugar to balance it all out. So go ahead and mix it. Then you want to give it a taste to make sure everything is to your liking and is seasoned the way you would like it. Okay guys, remember, make sure you do add your Italian seasoning. Next, I'm going to add in my lasagna noodles. Now you just want to mix them in until it's well combined. Okay guys, once it comes to a boil, you want to go ahead and lower your heat. And you want to place your lid over top. And we're going to let it continue to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, so after your noodles are done, we can go ahead and mix everything. And you guys can go ahead and give it another taste. If you want to add some salt and pepper, you can do that now. Now we're going to go ahead in with our mozzarella cheese. Just want to sprinkle it over top. And I'm going to add a little bit of my dried parsley flakes also. Let's go ahead and sprinkle it. Then we're going to place our lid back over top. We're going to turn off our heat. And we're going to let the cheese melt. Okay guys, so here we have it, our skillet lasagna. Look how delicious that looks. Okay, now I'm going to plate it. Okay guys, this has a nice cheese pull to it. So now I'm going to add a dollop of our ricotta cheese onto the top. And also on top of the ricotta cheese, I'm just going to add a little bit of our dried parsley flakes, a little color. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?